Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to increase Snap score fast. First of all, tap open your Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, you will be in a page something like this. Then you can see your profile icon in the left upper corner. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be on your Snapchat profile. Then you can see my Snapchat score is 32 at the moment. Now I'm going to show you guys how to increase it. Tap on the back icon in the left upper corner. Then you will be on your Snapchat homepage again. After you're on this page, you can see a menu bar on the bottom of your screen where there are multiple icons. You can see stories icon. You have to tap on that. After tapping on stories icon, you will be in a page something like this. Then you can see a search bar. Then in this search bar, you have to write name of famous celebrities. I'm writing Taylor Swift at the moment. So the star besides the Snapchat user means they are a Snap star, which means they are famous celebrities. You have to tap on add. Then you can see various other famous celebrities popping after you add a famous person. Then you can see a bookmark icon. You have to tap on that. The bookmark icon in Snapchat means you're subscribing them. You have to subscribe as much as you can and as much as you want. After doing this, you'll have to go back to your Snapchat page. Then after this, you can see a chat icon. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be on a chat list. Then you can see a camera icon besides every Snap star. So you have to tap on the camera icon and send them snaps one by one. Then after you've sent snaps to most of the celebrities, there's another thing you need to do. Tap the plus icon on the right of your screen. After tapping that, various options will come. You have to scroll down until you find multi-snap. Then tap on it. After tapping, you're ready to click multiple snaps by tapping the plus sign on the bottom of your page. You can take at least 10 pictures using it. After you're done taking 10 pictures, tap on OK. Then you have to tap on send to, and you have to send it to every friend on your list. The third thing you can do is upload stories in Snapchat by tapping in the circle besides my story, which is on the first of your page. After this, go back to your profile like we did before. Then you can see your Snap score has increased to 112 from 32. So this is how you do it. I hope the video was informational. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.